Do you know so many things happen behind the scenes during your flight that you could never imagine? These are hidden flight secrets airlines don't want you to know. Curious yet? Airlines have a bunch of secrets they are keeping quiet about on purpose. From small tricks to save money to sneaky ways you could get a better seat, these hidden tips could change how you fly forever. Are you ready? Let's dive in. However, before we continue, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So, what are the top 11 airline tricks you should know today? Number 11. Book a flight midweek. Most of the time, airlines tend to be very clever. They know most people search for flights on weekends when they finally have time to plan trips. That's when prices tend to go up because demand is high. But come Tuesday, fewer people are booking, and airlines sometimes drop prices to fill empty seats or match competitors' deals. It's like shopping for clothes after a big weekend sale. What's left might be cheaper just to clear it out. This isn't just a rumor, it's the real deal. Midweek flights are often more affordable because fewer people fly on these days. Research shows that you can save up to 20% just by flying on a Tuesday or Wednesday instead of a weekend. That's real money you could use for snacks, souvenirs, or an extra night at your hotel. You could check Google Flights or Skyscanner and compare prices for a Sunday versus a Tuesday. You might be surprised at how much you can save simply by adjusting your dates a little. Number 10. Use the 24-hour rule. In the US, there's a law that says airlines must give you a full refund if you cancel your flight within 24 hours of booking, as long as the flight is at least 7 days away. It doesn't matter if the ticket is non-refundable. This is the 24-hour rule. It's like a just-in-case button. At the end of the day, you have nothing to lose. Number 9. Hidden city ticketing. This is also known as the get off at the layover trick. It's important because airlines use super complex pricing algorithms. Looking to save on flights? Some travelers book longer routes with layovers because they're cheaper than direct trips, much like ordering a meal deal instead of just a burger. It's clever, but airlines seriously frown on it. While not illegal, it breaks their rules, and if they catch on, they might cancel your return ticket or ban you from their programs. It's a bold move, but be prepared for potential turbulence. Yes, it's that bad. Nonetheless, people use it to save a significant amount of money. Research shows that a traveler saved $100 by booking a flight to Portland with a layover in Seattle, her actual destination. So yes, it's a bit of a rebel move, but it can be a clever way to beat the system. Number 8. Bring an empty bottle. This sounds basic, but it's a brilliant little hack that saves you money and keeps you hydrated. You can't bring a full water bottle through airport security because of the TSA's 311 liquid rule. That means no liquids over 3.4 ounces, about 100 milliliters, in your carry-on. How about an empty bottle? You just toss it in your bag, breeze through security, and then fill it up at a water fountain or refill station on the other side. Most airports now offer them, and they're free. Why does this matter? Because airport water is ridiculously overpriced, like $5 for a tiny bottle? No thanks. Airplane cabins are extremely dry, so staying hydrated is crucial, especially on long flights. Bringing your reusable bottle also helps reduce plastic waste. It's a win-win-win. Number 7. Ask for an upgrade at the gate. It's one of the few moments where a little charm and good timing might just land you in a cushy seat up front. Once you're at the gate and the airline staff are preparing for boarding, walk up to the gate agent and ask them if any upgrades are available. You're not demanding, you're just expressing interest. Free upgrades are rare these days. Airlines usually prioritize frequent flyers or people who have paid for upgrade options. However, if the flight isn't full and you're flying solo, dressed neatly, and being genuinely kind, you might just stand out. Former flight attendant Kat Kamalani says the gate is the best place to ask because once you're on the plane, it's too late. Flight attendants can't move you up front. A fun fact is that airlines sometimes need to reassign passengers due to weight and balance considerations. That means they move someone from the back to the front just to even things out. If you've been friendly and respectful, you could be the lucky one they choose. While you're at the gate, flash a smile, be polite, and ask. Worst case, you're still flying. Best case, you're sipping juice in business class with extra legroom. Number 6. Use Airline ChatBots. This is somehow a lifesaver, especially when flights get delayed or canceled and everyone is scrambling for answers. Those little chat bubbles on airline websites or apps can save you a lot of sanity. Flight delayed and the help desk lines feels endless? Skip the stress and the boring music on hold. Just open your airline's app and chat with the virtual assistant. It can quickly help you rebook your flight or even get you a snack voucher, all in just a few taps. Easy and fast. These bots are fast because they're powered by artificial intelligence and trained to handle the most common issues travelers face. According to HubType, 69% of people prefer chatbots for quick responses. And satisfaction is higher with messaging support than with phone calls. It's not just about speed. Chatbots are available all the time. They don't get tired or cranky, and they can multitask. It's better to skip the hold music and let the chatbot do the heavy lifting. Number 5. Check SeatMaps before booking. If you don't want to end up squished between strangers or stuck next to the bathroom, a seat map can help you avoid that. Before your flight, check the map to see which spots have more legroom, which don't lean back, and which are near loud engines. Some seats look fine but aren't great once you're on the plane. A quick peek can make your flight way more comfortable. The cool part is that you don't even need to book the flight to see the map. Sites like Seat Guru and SeatMaps allow you to enter your airline and flight number, providing a detailed layout of the plane. You can even see reviews from other travelers about specific seats. If you're wondering how full your flight is, tools like flightseats.io show you live seat availability. That means you can spot empty rows or grab a window seat before someone else does. Checking the seat map is like scouting your spot before a concert. You wouldn't just show up and hope for the best, right? Number 4. Wipe down your tray table. You see that fancy tray table you place your snack on to eat, and sometimes even rest your head on? It is often dirtier than the airplane toilet seat. No joke. A study by Travel Math found that tray tables had over 2,000 bacteria colony-forming units per square inch. That's more than the flush button in the bathroom. It's so dirty because people use tray tables for everything. Eating, sure, but also changing diapers, clipping nails, resting bare feet, and even putting used tissues on them. Unlike the bathrooms, which get cleaned regularly, tray tables often don't get wiped down between flights unless there's a visible mess. A quick wipe down when you board can help prevent the spread of germs that could ruin your trip. One flight attendant on TikTok even said she has seen people cut their toenails on tray tables. This is no joke. Next time you fly, pack those wipes and give that tray a good scrub. Number 3. Avoid the back row. The back row might seem harmless, but it's the wild child of the airplane. These seats often don't recline. They're positioned right next to the bathroom, which means constant flushing and foot traffic, and they experience the worst turbulence due to the way planes move through the air. If you're not into that kind of noise, the back row is a bad idea. And you know the worst part? Sometimes the food and snacks might be limited or finished by the time the food carts get to you in the back row. Number 2. Bring your own snacks. Airport food is expensive and airplane meals are not exactly 5-star dining. By packing your own snacks, you save money and ensure you have food you like. No mystery meat or stale crackers, just your favorite goodies ready when you are. The Transportation Security Administration, or TSA, says you can bring solid snacks such as sandwiches, chips, cookies, fruit, and granola bars, as long as they're not liquids or gels exceeding 3.4 ounces. Bringing your own snacks means you can eat whenever you want. No waiting for the food cart to roll down the aisle. No awkward, "Sorry, we're out of chicken" moments. Just you, your snacks, and smooth skies ahead. Before you go, let's check out one more trick you can make good use of for your flight. Number 1. Sign up for fare alerts. You can liken this to having a personal travel assistant who never sleeps. It's one of the easiest ways to save money on flights, without lifting a finger after setup. You tell a site like Skyscanner or Google Flights where and when you want to go, and they'll watch the prices for you. If the fare drops, you get an email or notification. It's like having a friend who texts you, "Hey, that flight to Paris just got $100 cheaper." Flight prices change constantly, sometimes several times a day. You could check in the morning and see $4,000, then check again at night and it's $2,000. Fare alerts catch those dips for you, so you don't have to keep refreshing like a maniac. It's not just theory. Travel pros swear by this. According to Dollar Flight Club, people who use fare alerts can save hundreds of dollars per trip. Some even catch mistake fares, like when an airline accidentally lists a $900 ticket for $90. Yes, that happens. Which of these tricks have you tried or would you wish to try? Well, let us know in the comments. And let us know if you have any other juicy secrets. Enjoyed this insightful video? Like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more. See you next time. Fly safe.